See, I'm discussing a very important topic. This is my video here. What is my video name? Advanced Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. If I'm sharing with the Facebook my video, they're using with the same title. But I'm sharing any video with the last thumbnail, changing with a different title. How to change? The option call is FB linker. Copy the YouTube URL. Go to FB linker. Log in with your Facebook. So FB linker purpose, YouTube title. In sharing time, they change your YouTube title also. Where? Using with the FB linker. Now click. What is my title here? Advanced Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. My title will be here 15 Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. Where I'm changing here title and description. What is my YouTube title here? Advanced Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. What is my FB linker title will be? 15 Digital Marketing now. Click for submit. Copy the title. Submit. Share. YouTube title. My sharing title. Both are different. Now check here. Click where? Page. This is Rakesh. Select here. Along with the hashtag. Now click for post to Facebook. Before that, I'm writing for by this Rakesh. Done. Now click for check-in. That is called my company name. Click for post to Facebook. We can share pages, groups, timeline. Now click for share. I'm sharing with the timeline. Share with the friends timeline. What is my YouTube title? Advanced Digital. What is my own title? 15 Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. So when you're sharing time, I'm changing with my YouTube title. Only possible for where? fblinker.com. Now see this. Now click. I'm sharing where? Groups also. Post to Facebook. Now check in your page. Is updated or not? See here. My Facebook page. What is that? 15 Digital Marketing Interview Question and Answers. What is my YouTube title? Advanced. So clear? We can share YouTube video with the last thumbnail along with the different title and description. That is called using with the FB linker.